Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Happy Sunday.
How you guys doing?
Everybody good out there?
I
All
hope
right.
so.
How's your weather? It's raining here, but it's still Sunday. So Sunday service is done remotely, and now it's time for Sunday dinner. Right?
Absolutely.
Let's do it.
Okay, today we will have, excuse me, fried fish. You okay? Are you okay?
I was just doing what you did.
This dude right here, I can't hardly stomach him sometimes. Hey, I'm Margaret. How are you? Hope all is well with you. So today we're gonna fry fish, and we're gonna have sauteed broccoli. So,
Pasta?
yeah.
Pasta Alfredo. But no fettuccine noodles. We're going to use, what kind of tube noodles are those? Ziti noodles,
to look
think.
at 'em.
I think it's Ziti noodles. Yeah.
I guess so. If
So-
you say so.
No. Now,
Is that
you know
what it
what's
is?
cool? We do quite a bit of cooking, but what we decided to focus on today is instead of, we usually kind of focus our recipes on going out, preparing through the week, and getting the grocery list together to cover the week as far as preparing meals. But sometimes you really don't need to go to the store. So everything we're using today has been cooked at one time or another, pulled out of the freezer, gone to the pantry, gone to the refrigerator, things that are still fresh but not yet used. So this is to focus on what you already have in your possession that you can use for a great meal.
Right.
Okay? So you're gonna lead off. You're gonna lead off with the sautéing of the broccoli, and what we're gonna do is prepare all our sides, and then once the sides are done, we'll go back and prepare the fish last, because we definitely don't want the fish cold. Nothing worse than cold, reheated fish.
Right.
So we'll do the fish
But what
last.
kind of fish are we
We're
cooking?
going to do seasoned fried catfish.
My favorite. I know it's the worst kind of fish that you could eat, but I love it.
Yeah, but today we're gonna work with that scavenger fish.
Look who's
today.
watching today. Floyd
So
Manuel.
Floyd, Chantel,
What's up, cuz?
Tracy, Doris. Hello, everybody. Happy Sunday. All right, you
So-
first. You're gonna lead with the broccoli, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Here you go. Okay. What's this on?
Just to preheat the grease.
Oh, okay. All right. So, guys.
I'll turn it down some.
Okay, that sounds good. Okay, so I have my broccoli here, and also have garlic that I'm going to add into the broccoli, and seasoned onion powder and garlic salt. Okay. I have my pan here. I'm going to turn this on. I'll add just a little bit of oil in here. I've already sprayed my pan with Pam, so my broccoli won't stick. And by the way, this is frozen broccoli, okay? So what is everybody doing on this afternoon? We still have to be quarantined for another what? Is it 9 days or something
I
like
guess
that?
so far 9 days, depending on your state.
Yeah. So, okay, I'm gonna let this heat up for just a little bit, and then I'll go ahead and get started. Okay. Put just a little bit more oil in here.
Okay.
I love broccoli, and I definitely love pasta. So, but you can find ways of cooking your favorite dish the way you like it, okay? But with ours, I thought maybe that I would give it just a little bit of twist and add some different seasons into it, okay? So now that this is warming up or heating up, I'm just gonna flip it just a little bit. I hear it sizzling. And I don't like the chopped broccoli because the chopped broccoli have like, would you say stems, Chris?
The stalk.
Stalk, yeah. They have the stalk in it. And I mean, there's nothing like eating hard stalk. So I like the broccoli florets.
Florets.
Yeah. Because those are bigger. See, take a look at this.
It sounds sexier. Florets.
sound sexier.
It does sound sexy. You want to eat sexy food. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And plus, broccoli is good for you. And it is kind of messy a little bit. You know, especially like with the little, what would you call this little stuff?
Those are the flowers.
Well, it don't look like a flower to me, but it's messy.
It's okay. We're going to work it.
Yeah. So, y'all hear that sizzle on here? So this will take just a few minutes. It doesn't take very long to prepare this. So, oh, that's kind of popping.
I turned it down.
So, I'll just kind of flip as I go. What is everybody cooking for dinner on today? Or have you already eaten? We've only had some breakfast. My husband made the best breakfast this morning. So, now it's time to eat dinner. This is one of Ethan's favorite dishes and mine too. So you want to, the best thing about garlic is that you want to add this last because, you know, garlic, it tends to burn quite a bit. So you don't want to have burnt pieces of garlic in with your broccoli. So that's why we're going to wait and put that in last. I'm going to add in my...
Let that sit a little bit. Don't stir it so much.
Don't stir it so much, baby?
You go ahead and add your dry seasoning in.
Okay. Add the dry seasoning in? Okay.
Just add that.
I'm going to sprinkle this on here. I've already mixed it up.
Now, is that your garlic, salt, and onion powder?
Garlic, salt, and onion powder. Okay. So let it sit a little bit, baby?
Yeah, can a little bit. I like to add a little butter in between mine.
Oh, well, you know, hey, nothing wrong with that. Well, we can add just a little bit of butter to it. Sounds good to me. Let me get something just for...
What you need? Oh, I think I put your knife up. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to.
That's okay.
We love butter, don't we?
I'm not going to say all that about me, but you're the one that loves butter.
I know.
I told my husband he used so much butter, we're going to have to end up taking some Crestor.
Lord, help him, Lord.
But I'm not going to claim that part.
Don't claim that one.
Yeah. This man will eat up some butter.
Shoot, that's that flavor.
But you know, it's the difference in butter. When you're cooking with parquet and country.
Just margarine.
Yeah.
Any margarine.
I mean,
Don't cook the
it's
same.
just not the same. I mean, you know, when you cook with real butter, it makes a difference in your food. So, now I'm with them on that part. But if I have high cholesterol, I'm blaming it on him.
Lord, help her, Jesus, help her. It's going to be all right. We're going to live through this. We're going to drink plenty of water and do what we got to do.
And as much as we cook, y'all, I don't eat all the time. None of us eat all the time. We just
No.
like to fix nice dishes and eat good and maybe eat once or twice a day and, you know, and go from there.
So how you feel about it? Is it, do you have enough liquid in there? How you feel about your broccoli?
It's smelling good.
Smelling good?
Yeah, I don't want to get it too liquefied, you
It
know.
looks good, too.
Let me look at it, baby.
All right. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and put the garlic in there and then
He's telling me what to do.
sit that aside. And then I can make the sauce for the Alfredo if you want.
Okay. Well,
If you're ready.
Look, he's trying to tell me how to cook, y'all. Well, how you going to do that? But that's what a team is. That,
Team-
you know, that you tell each other what to do.
Teamwork make the dream work.
And definitely don't be offended. So I'm not offended over that, babe. Thank you so much for keeping
You're
me in
welcome.
line. Okay?
Thank you. We're going to keep each other in line, and Jesus is going to oversee it all.
Amen.
Because it's Sunday dinner.
You're silly. Okay. So what you think about that, love?
That looks good to me.
That look good? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I mean, you know, you kind of know where you want to go with it.
Yeah.
It all depends on
You know,
how you want it
and
looking.
It was frozen too.
Yeah.
Y'all represent the Cougars today. You can't really see this, but to all my friends out there that might be watching us, the Cougars on here. This is my my favorite
That's funny.
spatula. I mean, it's not a spatula. What would I call this? I guess a cooking spoon, as I call it. That's my favorite. And then it's signatured with the letter J in the middle.
That's
so
right.
How cool is that?
That's cool.
Can't get no better than that.
That's the coolest.
Yes. So nothing with Vikings or nothing like that around here.
That's funny.
Okay, baby. Now that this right here has already taken a toll, it's time for me to kind of take the heat off of it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna turn my heat down. I'm gonna put it on low.
Yeah,
Okay?
save it for me when you get done. I can do the Alfredo.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. I'm gonna kind of clean up my mess.
Yeah. Just leave that in there. I get it.
Okay, baby.
And I don't know if our audience ever seen this. We just want to let y'all know what kitchen y'all are broadcasting towards. This is the Jackson Kitchen. You know, last year there was a gift from some parents at my school, and I thought that was very appropriate. So I put that in here as kind of like our trademark. I like that.
I do too. Very neat. Okay. Is that okay?
Oh, that looks great.
All right, sweetheart.
It looks like it's got a nice snap to it.
It smells good.
It smells good. The garlic, onion. Did you do the lemon oil?
I didn't put that in there because I thought maybe that we would drizzle the lemon oil. And this right here, this is the dripping oil that he's talking about. I thought maybe that we would put that over the pasta. Does that sound good?
Oh yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
That'll work.
All right.
Let's do that. That's a good idea.
Okay, sweetheart. Your turn. Let's switch.
Okay. You leave the eye on for me?
I did.
Okay.
Yes, I left it on.
Where can we sit that?
What?
A little cutting board or something?
Right here?
Will it burn it?
I don't think so.
Think so? Okay, go
You
ahead.
can put something underneath it if you want to, but
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna hurt.
That's cool. Let's do it.
Okay. Are you good with that? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, sweetheart.
All right, we're gonna switch a little bit. So she did the broccoli, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the Alfredo sauce. So she left me some heat. So I'm gonna make a homemade Alfredo sauce. And the first thing that I want to actually use for that is cream cheese.
Okay.
So I'm
Hold
gonna
on. Let
add
me.
my cream cheese.
Okay.
You good?
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. So a block of cream cheese. I didn't take the time to soften it because I'll heat it up. Along with the cream cheese, I'm going to use milk. Do some lemon. You could use lemon zest or lemon juice. A little bit of garlic salt, and then parsley. Okay. Also, oh, my favorite, black pepper. I like black pepper.
Well, who said they didn't like black pepper?
I'm not bringing Bernie Mac into any of this. So I'm gonna leave him where he is. But shout out to Bernie Mac, you know. Hate black pepper. I'm not gonna do it with you. I'm not gonna do it. Now the secret to this is you want to melt the cream cheese until it becomes liquefied, and then you'll whisk all the ingredients. Oh, before I get carried away, one of the other ingredients is Parmesan. You need Parmesan for Alfredo sauce, okay? So we'll have all that. The idea here, like we said before, we want to cook the sides first and let them sit and heat or stay warm, and then we'll do the fish so the fish comes out nice and crispy. We've kind of turned our, when we put the gas on low. Mm-hmm. Okay. How we doing time? Are we doing okay with time?
I think so.
Okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think we selling pretty good.
Okay.
Okay.
So I know, a lot of times on cooking shows, you see people with a finished product. There are things that we will do that way, but we thought we'd take the steps on this one. All right. Whisk. For later. So now it's getting a little creamy. So I'll add just a little more milk. Okay. So these are two liquid ingredients. When I add the Parmesan and spices, it will dry a little bit. So that's why I'm only doing a little bit of milk at a time. How we looking?
I think that looks good.
Nice stir on there. I actually did this for the first time about a year ago. We didn't have Alfredo, and I wanted to make some Alfredo for dinner. So I just started thinking about all the ingredients that are involved in Alfredo sauce and put my own stuff together with the ingredients I have at home. You don't always have to run out to the store and get things. Sometimes you have enough ammunition in your storehouse to cook a nice meal. So we like to keep it fresh. Okay, now that cream cheese
Let me look at
is
that.
starting to solidify a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll go into my whisk phase. Okay, you hear it? It's kind of boiling a little. Decrease the heat. The key to this, sorry about the splash, people. Sorry about that. The key to this is to keep it whisk. Keep it on a whisk.
So he's making Alfredo sauce.
Okay, see that? How we looking?
Good. Yeah.
Now it's getting nice and creamy. It's a little, what do you say, a little more milk?
Just a little bit.
A little bit. Turn that heat down. Okay. Now I can actually start my Parmesan. I think for all practical purposes, we'll do maybe a couple of teaspoons.
What you using? Parmesan.
Parmesan?
Uh-huh.
Like it nice and cheesy. I'll do 4 heaped spoonfuls. Heaping because they're not actually level. Sometimes you can level them, but this time I just wanted to heap because the cheese will add a little flavor. Now that smells really good. You can smell that Parmesan. You can always go and get fresh ground Parmesan or freshly shredded. I'm sorry, because Parmesan is a very hard cheese. And how's that looking?
Okay. Good.
Okay. Do I need more milk? Am I okay? Just a little bit.
Yeah, I was about to say just a little bit. Because, you know, you added that Parmesan, it might have made it stiff.
That's true.
Yeah,
Good point. A little bit of salt, right?
just a little
a
bit.
little
Don't
bit.
get heavy with the salt, babe.
There we go.
Okay.
Boy, because I'll crank that salt up. I've been here cooking, man, and my fresh grinder will be going, boy, like a machine. All right. A little Parmesan in there. I'm sorry, parsley. Parsley.
That smell good, babe.
Doesn't it though? Lemon. Just a little lemon. And no, I haven't tasted anything yet. Some of you may say, wow, he's not tasting as he go. Well, you know, I'll do that before we put it with the noodles. But so far, so good. How we looking?
Wonderful.
All right.
Fantastic.
And let's see, what did you do with the?
What you for? Oh, butter.
We didn't put that in, right? This is about a tablespoon and a half.
Let's see what that's looking like.
What you think? You want to taste?
Yeah.
Okay. You can dip out of here, right? As long as I don't reuse it, right?
I think so.
No double dipping?
No double dipping.
No double dipping. Y'all can't say he double dipped. Okay.
Yeah, let me
I'll let
have
you
the
try.
spoon. Yeah, because it's still kind of hot.
Let me know what it might need, okay?
That's real good.
That work?
It might need just a little bit of salt.
Just a little bit?
Yeah,
One crank?
just a little bit. Just one crank, babe.
All right, cool. All right, cheese, butter, milk, lemon,
Lemon, parsley.
You good? Oh, you know what? Quick break. I can add some garlic, just a little bit. I'm gonna do garlic powder. Okay,
Yep.
how we doing?
Good.
Be careful if you let this sit because it will scorch. And burn sauce is gross. I'm just gonna say it's
Be careful,
gross.
love.
Thanks. That left hand let me down, man. I picked up that left and left let me down. Hey, y'all basketball players out there, y'all don't have to watch that left. You know it ain't crossing like that right. I'm just saying. I don't know why I said that. Maybe it's because I'm cooking today with an apron on, but with J's. Check him out. Did you show him the old school, the 88s or the 86s? Got the 86s on. Hey, but I got my apron on, so that's all that matters. All right. Okay, so pasta's ready, the sauce is ready, and the broccoli's ready.
Right.
So all we have to do now is we're gonna do the fish. Right?
If I were you, Chris, I would put that broccoli on low.
Oh. Okay.
Just a little bit.
All right. So that's true. Then I don't have to worry about it being cold, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put the broccoli on the front line. Is that cool?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
No, let me put it on the back because this pan is small. Because I don't want this to burn. So how's it taste?
I think it's good.
Need anything else? All right, so we good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. How about a small pea?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Now, I know you started this and you got it the way you want it. I'm gonna add just a little oil to it.
Okay, that's good.
I left most of that oil in that pan.
Okay.
Okay. And the cool thing, you can always up the heat to warm it, so you don't have to pop it in the microwave or
Let's
anything.
look at that.
So
Yeah.
that sauce.
Yeah,
is
because
really
you can
cooking.
still see the garlic.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that smells good.
Everything's still looking good. I'm gonna watch that sauce. Okay, so travel with me really quickly. Staying in the same room, but what we want to do now is actually get the fish ready. And so
Let me show y'all this fish. I mean, we got some big pieces from HEB. He's already seasoned it with some Slap Your Mama. It's this right here. I think you can find it any grocery store. This Slap Your Mama is pretty good, but you can't use too much of it.
Walmart, Kroger, you know.
Yeah. So we have the fish here, and this is flour here. And also he has like an egg wash with some milk, and then we have the season here. Babe, you might want to tell me what kind of season that you use for the fish to batter it with.
Oh, that's the Louisiana seasoned fish batter. That's just the Louisiana seasoned fish batter. It's already pretty salty, so that's why I lightly I patted dry with the paper towel the catfish, seasoned it on both sides very lightly. Then we're gonna do a batter wash and then in the cornmeal. So flour to a I think you said egg and milk batter, wet
Right.
batter, and then
Yeah.
into the dry batter.
Exactly.
Makes it really, really crispy. Adds an extra layer in there. Okay?
Yeah, and it's good too. It's good for chicken too. So I'm talking about the egg bath. It's very good for chicken, so you might want to try it. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around so he can continue to do his thing. Okay.
Now I'll keep a watch on this broccoli for you until we plate it and the sauce is on low.
Okay.
So let me know if I need to do anything else.
Okay, well, sounds good.
All right. So now we're ready for the. Can you pass me that red towel?
Okay, yeah.
We're gonna do the fish because
There you
we
go,
want everything to be just right. Okay? So here we go.
So that's the flour. He's going to lightly put flour on the fish.
Who would ever thought that a nurse and a teacher would make such a good team in the kitchen? Whoever thunk it?
Whoever thunk it.
That's a word, all right? That used to chew me out. Thunk it. What are they talking about? Thunk it.
You're so crazy.
Who would ever thunk it?
Do you need to turn your gas up any higher? No?
I already did.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, I'd already done that while we were talking.
So we're gonna talk about this Dutch. Is it called a Dutch?
Dutch oven.
A Dutch oven. I mean, y'all, it cooks so good. We actually had bought this at Home Goods. Was it Home Goods or?
I think it was Home Goods.
Yeah, Home Goods, and it gives just such crispiness to your food or to the skin. Let me say that. Chris, someone asked, what kind of flour are you using?
Oh, all purpose.
All purpose, Sylvia.
All purpose. And I like this Dutch oven because I can take everything and like sit it side by side.
Thank you so much, Alicia.
Alicia.
Uh-huh.
Alicia Keys?
No, I don't think her name was Alicia
Have we
Keys.
reached that stage?
No, we haven't reached that
Man, I
status
was
yet.
like, bet. Tell she can start, we can get on the Zoom and she can sing while we cook. We don't have to play YouTube. Or play this. Alright. That Dutch oven is really big. You can, add everything kind of side by side. So it gives you a nice cooking area.
Now, you see how the fish is laying, well, you can't see it, but it's laying side by side long ways. So you don't have to worry about cooking just one fish at a time or either two. I mean, you can have 3 pieces done at one time. So when we take it out, you'll definitely see what I'm talking about with the skin. It'll be so crispy. And it smells good.
Happy birthday, everybody. Happy birthday to you.
What are you talking about
I'm
over here?
just washing my hands. 20 seconds, right? And they say 20 seconds. I'm just saying.
You just saying?
So we're good. So I get all this over here so we can have it for cleaning up later. I can get all that stuff later on.
Sylvia said that you wagging your hands, Chris.
Later.
I don't know what she's talking about. I don't know.
Might be wagging my tail. Okay, so how we doing?
I think it's okay.
Alright. Let me keep a watch on your broccoli. What's your little thing?
What? My spoon.
Your little spoon. Now okay?
But you know what? You're gonna add the pasta in there, so you might have should have kept the big skillet, babe. You think?
No, I'm gonna plate it different.
Okay. Okay. Well, whatever you say.
And I'm making sure that your garlic is not burnt.
Thank you.
Because that's when it's burned, it's not that good. That's nice and creamy too.
Let him look at this.
And it's still not scorching you. I had it on low. See that?
Yeah. It looks good.
So the fish won't be long. Let me check it. I thought they were not.
See, look at that, y'all. Yummy.
That looks good. And I'm not even hungry, but I might eat.
Well, I'm gonna eat.
Okay. All right. So I think we're almost ready to plate everything. What you think?
Yep.
This it up?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what do I need to do? I want to toss my pasta just a little bit because it's been sitting there by itself. So we already have the pasta ready. Okay. I think I said ziti noodles. Are those the ziti noodles?
I guess.
I don't know what they were called.
I don't know what they're called.
Anyway,
They just noodles.
I know, noodles.
Just noodles.
And fettuccine doesn't always have to be with fettuccine noodles. You can change up the texture and the taste a little bit. Depends on what you really like. So I don't want to actually, I'm just gonna make a nice serving here so that we can kind of keep things going. So I'm just gonna put a few of these in a bowl because I didn't add any more butter or anything, but everything is actually gonna be, is that gonna be enough for our plate?
I think so.
Okay. So when you're making individual servings, you have the liberty of doing that. All right, so everything's almost ready.
Mm-hmm. Look at that fish,
Fish
y'all.
is looking good.
Mm-hmm. Get it, baby.
I think that fish look almost ready. What you think?
I think it is.
Okay. So we turn the heat down a little bit. Let me get my plate ready. We'll drain the fish and then we'll add the fish. How about that?
Sounds good to me.
I kind of nuke the noodles just a little bit. I toss them with a little bit of oil. Everything else will be added on the end. Okay. And then we'll be ready to rock and roll. Anything else? Any other reflections that we have for today? We do pretty good right now.
I think so.
I think it's pretty good. We got the plate ready. I don't need nothing to add. I'm just excited. This meal, from start to finish, 20, 25 minutes. What's our time on Facebook right now?
It doesn't tell me.
Okay. So it can't be that long. I mean, and this is including the ingredients we have here. Nothing that we used today was bought today or prepackaged. Everything was fresh, except for the broccoli. But that's the beauty of using something that's in the freezer. It lasts a lot longer, and you don't have to have as much waste. All right. Alfredo sauce, Parmesan, cream cheese, milk, butter, lemon, garlic sauce, and if you want to add onion powder, you can. And then, you know what I didn't put in there? Black pepper.
I hate black pepper.
I hate black. Did I put black pepper in there?
No,
Okay.
you
So
didn't.
I like to kind of toss my noodles like this. All right, get them ready. I'll just go ahead and put the black pepper on the back end. Fresh cracked black pepper. Toss it just a little before I plate it. And what I'm going to do is, you're going to notice me do something that involves not mixing the pasta. So what I'm going to do, my fish is ready. My broccoli is ready. Remove the fish so I don't burn it.
Let them see how golden that is.
Look at that.
Wonderful.
Golden brown. You know, one thing I like about broadcasting is that it just brings out the attitude of us in the kitchen. It brings out, a nice little environment, ambiance. And it has character when you do it together. So we really enjoy that.
That looks really good.
So the pasta is
Okay,
ready.
babe.
And I can never find a spoon when I need it. But anyway, the pasta and the broccoli are ready. So let me give you the broccoli. See that garlic, how it's nice and brown? But it's not burned. And it's fresh garlic, so you're going to get a whole lot more taste. Right? How we doing? Am I plating it okay?
Mm-hmm. You're doing good.
All right.
Just keep going.
And with pasta, you don't always have to pre-mix everything. You can always mix it as you go or pour it over the top. That's kind of the method that I like to use. So we got our pasta here. We've got the Alfredo sauce.
That's not sauce, baby. That's noodles.
I mean the noodles. I'm getting carried away. I'm thinking about the sauce, right?
Yeah.
And then with the Alfredo sauce.
You got something to dip it out with?
Yeah, let me get a spoon here. So the Alfredo is ready. Still nice and warm. That's what you want. All right. And I like to pour mine over because sometimes sauce just stays. Then when you reheat it, it gets sticky and it burns.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just kind of pour my sauce over. Like that. How's it look?
Mm-hmm. Good.
Okay. Okay. And you can mix it if you want once you get it on the plate. That's just how I like to do mine. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Think about something? There we go. Does that look better?
Do we have any something for color?
We don't. We ran out of paprika. Paprika would be great on that for color. I'm glad you mentioned that because color in a dish is so essential because it makes things look brighter, more vibrant.
Yeah.
Ready for the fish?
Yep.
Okay, people. There we go. There we go.
That looks good, babe.
So southern fried catfish, sauteed broccoli, and Alfredo with noodles. There we go.
Okay.
That's our Sunday dinner.
Okay. Now, I'm going to be the taste tester because I'm always taste testing, guys.
Okay. Got your fork. We missing anything? I know what we are missing.
What's
Come on,
that?
I'll sit down and then I'll show you what we're missing.
Okay. So, all right. I have lipstick all over my face.
Show them this. I know this is what you want.
I do like it. You know what? I also like tartar sauce too.
Tartar sauce? Let me get you some tartar sauce.
Okay.
Let me get you some of that. Let me show y'all what I like. She said I got this from living in Texas, but I like this on my fish, boy. Sriracha. Floyd, I know you got that sriracha out there in Cali, boy. What y'all know about that sriracha on fish?
While you talking, I'm about to eat.
All right, let's see what we got here, baby. What we got, baby?
Wait a minute, I haven't tasted it yet. Okay, let's see.
I know, I'm sorry, I don't mean to rush you. You good? All right, give me some feedback. Is it too thick? Just thick enough? Too thin?
Just enough.
All right,
Okay.
and she can always go back and mix that in. But I kind of, I got that from my mama. Just mix your sauce separate because what if you need to alter the sauce? You can go back and alter the sauce, add more to it, and it doesn't absorb into the noodles the wrong way. Y'all feel me?
Okay. So now, for the broccoli, okay? Da-da-da-da-da.
Okay. Broccoli,
Good and crunchy.
crunchy, but not too crunchy and not too soft, right? All right.
Okay. Now. Okay. Now I'm not gonna tear this up. I'm just gonna take my fingers and eat it. That's fine.
What the inside look like?
It's still really hot.
Hot, crunchy. Okay.
It's just enough seasoning on there. Nice and crunchy and golden. Just like I like it.
Cool.
So, y'all better come get y'all some. You wanna taste it, baby?
Oh, I'll be over in a sec. I'm gonna start on the cleanup while you enjoy your meal. All right. Now, what about the lemon in the Alfredo
Oh,
sauce?
you forgot to drizzle the lemon oil.
I did, but did I put the lemon juice in the Alfredo? I think I did, but I should have done some. I could have tossed the pasta in that dripping oil instead of canola. That's what I should have done. But you know what? That's what's so cool about cooking is that you get a chance to do it again. Everything okay? All right.
Yes. Y'all, this Sunday dinner is on time.
All right.
So, okay.
I'm good.
I'm good too.
Okay, we out. Tell them bye. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace. Enjoy that, baby.